Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2014 Chrysler Town and Country minivan, and I will show you how to fold down the third row stow and go seats. This video will apply to Town and Countries made from 2011 all the way up to 2016. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now, by lowering these back seats into this opening, you will get lots of cargo space, and this is actually quite easy to do. Now you will have a bunch of these levers to pull, and they will be marked with numbers, so you just want to follow those numbers. So first I will show you for the left portion of the back seat. You want to pull this one towards yourself, and that will lower the headrest all the way down. Second step is down here. You want to pull this one, and that will lower the upper portion of back seat. So just pull it and it should fall down. Once you've done that, you want to pull onto the number 3. That will detach the bottom portion of the seat, and then you want to pull on number 4. Now I might have to do it at the same time using both hands. So this will unlock it, and then you want to pull onto this one. Okay, I was able to do it with one hand, and that's it. Now look at this cargo space, and I will show you the other side as well. Okay, so here same thing. Number 1, pull. Number 2, number 3, and then number 4. And that's it. Here is your cargo minivan. Okay, now to pull the seats up, first you want to pull this lever all the way up and push it all the way down, and that will lock the seat in place. And then what you will do, you will pull number 2 once to unlock the top portion, and then just number 4 to pull the top portion towards yourself, and it will lock in place once it clicks. And then you will pull number 1 to get the headrest. Very easy. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.